Hi guys, welcome to LDFS. I'm Dr. Lakshmi. Today we will be discussing an out-of-box marketing idea for your clinic. It's totally different. Some people may not have heard about it also. Now before we proceed further, kindly like and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to share with at least 3 more junior dentists so that the maximum dentists will benefit from the series of video which we release online. Thank you so much in advance for doing it. The out-of-box marketing idea which we are going to discuss today is known as scent marketing. Now, I don't know how many of you have heard about this thing, and even if you have heard about it, do you know that it is very much relevant and very much important in healthcare sector? Let me first tell you what do we mean by scent marketing. Let's understand first what do we mean by scent marketing. Scent marketing means to strategically use different fragrance at customer touchpoints, which will help us create a more likable and clear brand identity. Now I know these words are a little confusing. This was just the meaning of what do we mean by scent marketing. Let's understand this further with the help of different examples. The world's most powerful brand lives in the mind of consumer. So imagine if you have that immense marketing idea by which you can be there in the patient's mind. It's awesome, right? Because the main thing of marketing is we want them to remember us. Even if they have a tooth pain after 1 year, 2 years, or if their family member has a tooth pain, we want them to remember us, to have our name engraved in their mind. And this is a kind of marketing which can help us do that. So scent marketing is much more than air refreshing. It is kind of a memory which is created around the scent which is there in our clinic. Now imagine the first time you went to a dentist. I remember the first time when I went to my dentist, I was in school, and the kind of thing which comes to my mind, the smell, is the smell of the cements, the cast and all those things. Those were not so pleasing. Whenever I used to sit in the waiting area of that clinic and smell those things, I get a weird anxiety, weird fear that what is going to happen. And plus it is with that sound of the eroder. It used to make me nervous. I was afraid. I admit that I was afraid of my dentist. Maybe I didn't run away or anything, but I did all my treatment, but I was really afraid and the anxiety level was very high. I don't want that thing to happen with my patients. So we can try this thing and see how it works for you. Scent marketing helps us to market our clinic without even showing the logo or the name of it. We just relate the experience which the patient has in our clinic with that smell. Because olfactory recognition is one of the most powerful things. It is even more powerful than visual recognition. Did you know about that? It's very much powerful. The memories which are created with the scent, that is long lasting, it is resistant to the time, and it's more easily recalled. So that kind of impression or that kind of memory is what we are focusing on. So with the help of scent marketing, we can create that kind of memory. So that's awesome, right? If you are able to create a pleasant memory in the patient's mind with just a smell which comes whenever the patient smells something. So at that time, if a very good, very nice memory comes, it will be so helpful for us. It will be so pleasing for the patient, but also in a way the patient will remember us through that smell without even showing the logo or any brand or any for that matter any marketing other strategies, any pamphlets or any ad, nothing at all. So that's something really awesome, right? If we can master that, then we have mastered the art of marketing. Not literally, but yeah. So let me give you examples. Think of a Cineplex. In Cineplex, when you go and watch some watch some movie, I know it's months back, or rather years back. It's been more than 2 years, even I have not visited any theater. But when you had gone to a theater before the COVID times, you will smell the smell of a popcorn as soon as you enter the theater, right? Even if they are not preparing that popcorn over there in that shop, it's a prepared popcorn which have kept. And there are other eating items like pizzas, there are sometimes ice creams, maize, and so many things are there. But still the smell of popcorn is so strong that somehow it's so much correlated with the theater. Whenever we go to a theater, we smell popcorns and we want to buy it and have it. Similarly, these are the big brands correlate their their whatever product it is to some smell. It's not necessary. Theater and popcorn, it's not necessary, right? But they want people to have these accessories, the food and all those things. They earn a lot from that. So that is one of the strategies which is used by the cineplexes. Now let's see other examples. Even Nike stores, they have actually done this research, and Nike have told that they have tried different smells in their retail shops, and they have found that the customers are more ready to pay more for their product. They have seen the increase in the sales when they have used the scent marketing. So that is why they also use the scent marketing. Another companies which use are Starbucks. Yes, Starbucks use it. The smell of coffee. Other things are like there are many airlines which use it. There are Singapore Airlines which have used the scent marketing in their hot towels and all, and they have seen a lot of improvement, maybe not in the sales but in the customer satisfaction, in the customer experience. So these are the different companies which have tried that. There are many more. I'm just giving you a few of the new things, a few of the examples, a few of the companies which have used these things. But now, whenever these things come to our mind, when we hear about the scent marketing, we feel that it won't be used in the health marketing sector, right? How can we are not selling any product. We are not in the food industry or anything. It's totally different. So how can we use it? But even I was thinking like that. But to my surprise, I was completely wrong. The healthcare sectors use scent marketing a lot. In fact, there are different companies which are being hired by the health marketing sector to create a scent marketing for their hospitals. So there are a chain of hospitals who hire these people and ask them to do these changes in their hospital such that it will help them. Now how it will help them? It will help them by reducing the patient anxiety. Yes, smell reduces patient anxiety. Think of that example which I have told you earlier. When I visited a dentist itself, that smell that was the first thing that comes to our mind, because whenever I enter that room, the smell was the first thing, and it brings back all the memories which has been there. Like whenever I had gone there, the memories of my cavities and etc. So it was so strong. So imagine the same thing happens with our patients. Whenever they enter the clinic, they associate something with the smell which is coming. So next time you enter your clinic, just sit in the waiting area and see what smell comes, and ask your the receptionist and everybody what kind of smell is it which comes during the whole day and which they relate to the clinic. Maybe it's the Lysol smell, maybe it's something else, maybe it's the cement smell, maybe it's something totally different. You may not know about it. Ask them. There are a lot of research which has been done on the health marketing sector also, and they have given 2-3 different scents which we can use to reduce the patient anxiety. And especially the patient anxiety is very much high in a dental clinic. Everybody knows that, right? Majority of people are afraid of dental treatment. So we need to reduce anxiety in our patients. So there are other benefits of the scent marketing also, and also there are different scents which we can use in our clinics, which I will be very happy to share with you. If you want to know more, kindly let us know, kindly comment below and let us know what all detail you want to know about scent marketing. We'll try to include that in our upcoming videos. I hope you liked today's video, and you will definitely go to your clinic and try this and see what kind of smell are you getting. I hope you do that, and let's know in the comment box what do you think about it and what kind of smell you got in your clinic. Thank you so much, guys. Until next time, bye. Send us a hi on this number. We'll add you to our special WhatsApp broadcast list. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.